whoever loses is going to go probably win, and losers play again and win it.
Imagine a bracket reset though.
Imagine a bracket reset. These very spicy team comps. So
A lot of
I could see it.
A lot of spacies in the 2v2s.
It's melee.
It is melee.
There's a lot of space. 50% of competitors in melee are Foxmen.
A lot more Sheiks than I thought I was going to see. Using the shine to space out 2 people on them.
I need to get on the fucking Wi-Fi here. Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, that's a better. Something.
I thought he already used it.
No. We're gonna have to run some chess. We'll run some chess on stream.
Turn it into a chess turn.
Oh, happily. Whoa, that's actually nice. I need to fucking cop that thing that Baskin had. For solder. I want that. Anyway. Even stocks, it looks like? Yeah. A little high percentage on the green team. Use Unplug. Still sort of even stock. Sheik's at high percent. Okay, yeah, there it is. So we do have a small advantage now for Unplug.
The double shot is crazy.
It's tough to contest. You just gotta wait it out. Oh no! Oh no! Makes it back. It's fine. He's still kind of stuck in a disadvantaged state.
He's back.
Yeah, they're back. They're back. All right. It's fast decision. All right, they gotta start covering high edge guards. Okay. Oh, the shorten. Very nice.
Wow.
They're still trying to make it back.
The recoveries this game are insane.
Fox. It's a blessing and a curse. He always can make it back. He always gets hit for it. Oh, barely got the shield up. More high recovery. They're just staying away from hitboxes. Ooh, no, that was not good. I got a percentage lead. Unplug. Okay, Shine Spike, that might be it.
Got them separated.
Yep, okay. Okay, they just got to clean it up. This is Suezo, though. Suezo's clean. He can do it. I feel like it's hard. It's a harder 2v1 as a Sheik than like a Fox,
yeah, for
you
sure.
know? Okay, that's it. That was a good try. That was a good try. It was a good first game. This should be... This says winner semis. I don't know if this is the final. This is the finals, though. It should be best of 5, I think. I'm not sure. It is finals, but I don't know if they're doing best of 5 yet. Okay. It is a best of 5. Unplug takes the first one. If it's best of 5, there shouldn't be any bans. I would assume. I don't know, what's their team comp? Is it Falcon and Sheik? Or their green is Falcon. That's fine. They're just gonna keep it. They're gonna keep it straight on Battlefield.
I was reading the banner at the bottom. I hope that one comes back around. That was funny.
It really sticks out to me. It seems like a lot of the players get kind of complacent with getting their sides and their 1v1s, but it does seem to work out.
Green team has them separated, keeping them separated, staying in.
Yeah, that might be like the formation that you're fighting for, is to have center stage and they're separated. Ooh!
Very nice.
I think he arms detected, so he survived anyway, but the shine was like double insurance. Damn. There's been a lot of friendly fire going on. This is tough. This looks a lot different than the last game. Unplug hasn't even gotten a stock yet. There it is. There's one.
Very good leg card.
Yeah, man. Little Fox did it on the right side. It's getting a little spicy. I'm really surprised. I feel like
Shine spike.
Oh, what happened? What happened? Everybody died almost.
It's hard to keep track of what's going on. It's so hectic.
Especially on like Pokemon Stadium with the weird ass transformations. It's really crazy. Yeah. You can you watch Falcon, I'll watch Green Fox. Okay. Oh, okay, they really covered the edge guard there. I'm surprised it hasn't happened earlier. There's been a lot of high recoveries. And Swayze forced it and it got cleaned up, but I'm surprised it's just not getting called out.
Oh, insane egg.
That was great DI on the ups. That would have killed most people. Crazy.
Clean
How
back
did he
air.
survive? Oh, what? That was nuts.
How they stopped
The needle, Sheik needles.
The Sheik needles stopped.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Back air him into the Sheik needles. Okay. Let's see something cool.
Oh, very nice.
Ooh.
Clean up air.
Now, I'm so
High
surprised that
recovery
it killed.
predicted. Moveset downloaded.
Yep. Okay, this is probably it. No way. Oh, the
chain? The chain?
Is that a dead Sheik? Oh, okay. There's so much work to do though. It's
There
being
is
done. Yeah, okay, there
Ah.
it is. There it is. There it is. 1-1.
I was ready to see the underdog story, the comeback.
Oh, here comes Pokemon. They're quick to it too. Sets tied up 1-1. Looks like a big momentum swing for Unseasoned Chicken though. Man. Big. Is that it?
Chase it with the up air.
Okay,
Almost
okay.
kills off the top.
We got some weight on Fox. We got some meat on his bones, so he survives it. Oh, he just gave up on the Sheik over there. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Okay, they kind of trade here. That's basically a stock trade.
The trade.
Oh!
Charge!
Charge! Down smash!
Down smash for the.
He knew. What? Whoa! Knee into the drill.
Nice catch.
Blue Fox is very scrappy. Do they save each other out here?
Seems like it.
Oh, whoa. No way.
Cute.
No!
Double shine spike into the up air. Still
And
gets a recovery out.
Still gets a backer out. That's going to be it. Oh, unfortunate. That was looking so good.
A crazy turnaround.
Even stocks. Small percentage lead for Unseasoned Chicken.
Okay.
Oh.
We're all going to the salty spittoon.
Heard. Oh, he's doing the thing. He's really putting the percentage on him. What's going
my
on?
God, all
What's even
four,
down?
all
What's
four
even
in
down
the
there? Why are we here? That is just. Do we need to censor this? Is this okay? Uh-oh. Pop up. That's it.
That's crazy. Double catch with the
yeah,
side beat
that was
into
an
a
air.
back air.
Or high recovery. They're not covering. I'm so surprised. Like, it's got to be a doubles thing, right? There's got to be so much stuff going on.
Blue team one stock down.
The beefy deers. They all sound the same.
feel like everybody's playing so clean.
Yeah, that was... There's some flubbage going on here.
Ooh! Stomp me.
Okay,
Stomp
okay,
me.
okay. Another kind of momentum shift here. If Unplug cleans it up, they're really just going back and forth. How exciting.
Every match so far has ended in a 2v1 that seems possible.
Big pop-up. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's 2 stocks to work with, but yeah, that's it. All right, they stop the bleeding and they take the momentum back.
Every game has ended in a 2v1, and it's always been scrappy as hell. Huge.
Huge. Oh, Yoshi's. Okay, I'm in for chaos. It's gotta be unwatchable shit.
I have a feeling that we're gonna see some crazy shit from Randall this game.
Some crazy Randall stuff? I hope so. Ooh, yeah, that was good. That was just a little recovery. Oh, charge it! Ass. Oh my goodness, I need it. There you go. Oh,
Sheik
threw out the
survives.
fair up there just in case. I like it. Oh, that was
Up air kills.
Yeah, that was it. Just sharked up. Dash dance, forced to roll, reacted to it, grabbed it as it. And that's gonna kill really early on Yoshi's.
Good up smash. Catches the jump.
In a similar vein of last set where Falco and Fox did pretty well on Pokemon, I think Yoshi's is really good for a Sheik here. So now instead of the pop-ups and the warriors setting up for edge guards, it's just going to kill them. His blast zones are so small.
I just realized that magnificent beard on Unseasoned Chicken team.
That's what he said.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah. Oh, see, yeah, there he is. She kills off the top here. Where is... What? What?
Crazy off-stage game right there.
Ooh. Okay.
She can't capitalize off the back row.
That's a good box. Tough situation here.
Falcon getting juggled a bit.
Ooh. She's got such long... Oh! I'm surprised I didn't kill. These guys have crazy on like everything that hits them. I don't know how they do it.
Oh, nice.
Randall, though. Randall, you wanted it. You asked for it. You're getting it. Look at him go! Oh, drill? Is that it? Okay, Nair. Ooh! Still a disadvantage. No way.
Nice roll on the stage.
Gets back. It's close to killing. Oh, back throw. Air dot. Very
nice up smash.
They could clean up this one too. No way. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh,
we are on a 1v1 situation.
Oh, and Swayze cleans it up. This is going to go to game 5.
Very nice power shield.
Oh, man, this is Rabbit. This is Rabbit we're talking about, though. This is so tough.
Trying to get a combo going.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Yep.
Could be bad for
Sheik.
Sheik.
Drops it. That's uncharacteristic. Nice. Really moving here. 69. That's tough. Uh-oh.
It's a grab.
Oh, the needles. Oh!
Capitalize.
Is that it? Oh! Let's go!
Big.
Doesn't say it on screen, but this is, I'm pretty sure, game 5. Winners finals. This is a big deal.
Going back to Yoshi's.
There's no way.
And it's Pokemon.
They're striking as a visual aid right now to figure out where they want to go. Because they've already played on some stages and whatnot. I'm pretty sure we DSR here.
Hey guys, what's the set count?
This should be 5, or game 5.
This is game 5?
Yeah, 2-2. Oh, what a contrast on Greenland too. We just came from the smallest stage to the biggest. This is gonna be weird. Oh!
A lot of room for.
No! They're down 2 stocks fast. Okay.
Okay, they get one back though.
I think we. Yup.
Evened it back up.
Goodness. Where are we going? The Sheik forward smashing on the platform.
Sheik saves Green Fox.
Power shield grab. Threw him in the mix. They were not aiming to grab Falcon there.
Oh no.
Good luck.
I heard a power shield somewhere.
Hey,
ganging up on Green
Unplug.
Fox here.
Hold center stage pretty well. Falcon's in a bit of a pickle, but has center stage. Okay, Rabbit makes it back. Alright, they're looking good. Oh, and that cleans it up.
Falcon getting comboed right now.
Yeah, getting a little
target switch.
Gets caught out of the side. That's rough. Bad hitbox on the forward air and ends up off stage. Almost does die for it. That's so unfortunate. That's so unfortunate.
I thought she was going to make it back.
Oh, little pop up. Okay, yeah. There's a little Sheik bread and butter. Easy kill. What is it? Are we even here?
Nope.
No.
Who's ahead? Who's ahead?
Yeah. Unseasoned Chicken has a stock lead. Game 5. Winners finals. Ooh. Almost target switch. Got a little quick shine. Down there, another edge guard opportunity.
Oh. Up tilt.
Oh, tech chase on the top platform doesn't react to it right. He would up smash the other person.
Up smash the other person.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Need to edge guard for sure. There's a lot of winning in neutral and getting the pop-offs, but then they just immediately target switch instead of trying to like clean up that edge guard. It's more high recovery.
Green is up.
Yeah, green's up. They're looking good. They're looking comfortable. I'm wanting something more tense. But
Falcon, kind of high percentage.